Hey guys, it's Paul. I just want to give you an introduction to my ActiveCampaign training. I really like ActiveCampaign. I really think it's a cool platform for people to use as a email marketing solution and a CRM. If you've seen some of my previous videos, it's one of them platforms that just makes sense. It's one of them. It gives you a warm feeling. It's cool because it's easy to click about and do what you need to do. So what I've done is I've launched some full training to back up the ActiveCampaign guys training as well. So if you come to my website, paulnicholson.com, go to all courses and just type in, it is down the bottom there, but if you type in active, you'll see full free training. It's free to use. You don't even need to sign up. A lot of people will say, get email addresses and that. I don't need your email address, but if you want to track what lessons you've done and interact in the discussion forum, you're going to want to sign up. You can come down to the lessons down here as I populate them. You're going to see that you can just preview them. You can jump into each lesson. They're not private. So you don't have to sign up, but if you want to say I've completed that one, or you want to jump into the discussion here, which I'll show you, best to sign up. What you'll see is an advert at the top of every lesson. There's one advert, just one. And then at the top and bottom of each forum post, there's an advert. So there's basically two adverts on each post that helps generate money for me for providing the training. What I want you to do is dive in. I want you to come to my, my introduction, jump in. I haven't actually put I haven't got the discussion forum on that one, have I? I'll have to add it. Watch the video, watch the training, and just, click discussion. If it doesn't make sense, drop in here, hey, put at Paul, can you explain more? Something like that. That will then, if I refresh this page, let's start the discussion. This is an ActiveCampaign official training video. Did it make sense? Can you do one of your videos where it's more practical use, or what about if I need to do this? So it's training, but the discussions where you're going to go deeper, discussions where you're going to jump in and I'm just going to delete that and get more out of it. You can just come to the active discussion, click new topic, put in I need more help on email lists, and then I need to know how to move subscribers from one list to another. Something like that. Just create a topic, create the question. This is where you're going to get the most out of it, by watching the training and then asking your question, asking your specific questions on ActiveCampaign. And I will jump in, I'll create you a video, I'll point you in the direction of a lesson. I might come back here and say this was for email lists. I would just come, check this lesson out, let me know if you need more. It's not a question, just drop the link in. So I'm going to put into places where you're going to get the most out of it. I want you to send your team to me. Tell all the people in your team, look, go to Paul's training. If you've got questions, send me, get them in here, get them talking. As I say, it's 100% free. The adverts pay. The subscription and the advert that's on this video, my videos, help pay for my training. So therefore, the more I give you better training, the more you drop in and browse around my forum, seeing the adverts, the better. So I've got to provide you great training. You've got to give me questions, and together everybody wins. ActiveCampaign wins. You win. I win. Let's get you working. Let's get the most out of ActiveCampaign for you. You pay your money. You pay your $50 a month or whatever it is for ActiveCampaign. So let's really get the most out of it for your business. The ROI, as they say, return on investment. Any questions, as always, leave a comment. But dive in, come in and find ActiveCampaign full training. I'll put links in this video if you're watching on YouTube. You can, it's very simple to enroll. Just your name and email. There will be no credit cards. It's 100% free. Dive in, come and talk to me. Let's get the most out of ActiveCampaign. Cheers, guys.